Christmas and a Happy New Year, guys. It's amazing. I know that there's a lot of people back in this world. Some people wake up already, start to cook in the kitchen. But today we're going to show you how to do your jerk pork inside of the oven for your Christmas dinner. So hopefully you will love the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. It's amazing. I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes, guys. We love you. Boxing Days next day. Remember, 50% on the Caribbean Cuisine and Cooking book on Amazon. The link below. When you give me a thumbs up, you will see the link down below, guys. Visit my website at chefricardocooking.com or chefricardo@hotmail.co.uk. That's my email. So guys, thank you so much. It's brilliant to have you one more time again watching Chef Ricardo on the YouTube channel. 26,000 subscribers. We love you. God bless you all. See you next time. Bye. Just take the jerk pork from the oven, and this is the way it looks. Fantastic, really nice and beautiful, as you can see. So basically, guys, the pork was seasoned and marinated before, and the link is on the YouTube how to marinate and the jerk pork. So basically, I just put a piece of grease-proof paper inside, lay it in it, put the fire over it, put it inside of the oven for half an hour. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show, and as I always give you tips and ideas where you can do yourself some nice lovely jerk pork in your oven at home. Enjoy the recipe. Bye bye. Really nice Jamaican jerk pork in the grill, in the oven, no outside, guys. You can see it looking lovely and nice. So just enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.